We all have days where the inner critic starts getting a little too loud. But here's the secret. Your brain actually listens to what you tell it. Affirmations are a simple, powerful tool to help you reclaim your narrative. Let's take 15 seconds to shift your frequency from surviving to thriving and set the tone for a successful day. The heavy morning. Sometimes you wake up and the weight of your to-do list feels heavier than your blankets. The comparison trap. It's easy to feel behind when everyone else's highlight reel is playing on your phone. The quiet doubt. That nagging voice that asks, am I actually getting anywhere? Even when you're working your hardest. Let's be real. Some days, success feels like a mountain you're trying to climb in fog. You're doing the work, you're putting in the hours, but the results feel miles away. It's exhausting to stay motivated when your inner critic is on a loop, telling you you're stuck or falling behind. That mental fatigue, it's the biggest barrier between where you are and where you're going.